All right. Good morning. Good afternoon. It is currently actually noon my time, so I guess good afternoon. But it's actually not afternoon. It's good noon, I guess. I don't know. Just a minute, folks. Okay, what is up? Welcome to another Need for Speed development stream. So today I'm hoping to tackle a bunch of our website stuff. I hope we're going to get to the point where one of these streams is going to be gameplay bugs. Like this one I can't wait to do. To level up screenshots not working correctly, where it's like you take a screenshot in RC Plus, it doesn't take it. It doesn't show the updated stat. It like shows the previous stat or something. There's a lot of game stuff we have to work on. But I think today we're just going to knock out a few more website bugs. And let's just get right into it. So let me do an audio check actually before I go too far with this. Boom, boom, boom. Got a few more website bugs. Yeah, that sounds good. Oh, my volume is super high, that's why. Cool. Alright. Yeah, so this one is a little bit tough. So the current appearance of the website is this, where it's like you've got this header image and this like navigation bar, and in between there are like just these like sharp edges, and I don't really love the way that looks. Something I'm realizing that we could maybe do is make this like full width, but only would have like an inner container for the actual menu. So we make this one with 100%, and then need the gap. Okay, so it would look something like this. This image is a little bit... Oh no, that's fine. Oh yeah, the picture is a bit weird. That's causing the space to happen, but we could do something like that where it's like it's flush with the header image. I think that wouldn't look too bad. What I was working on last time was this, which is basically a fade down. I actually don't hate the way this looks. When I first developed it last week, I thought it looked pretty bad, but now I'm thinking it looks pretty good. I kind of like it. It does look a little bit weird with the blurriness on the sides, but it's not really a big issue. I actually really like how this looks, now that I'm looking at it. Because I think the other option we could do, if we could figure out this picture tag height and why it's making it like... That doesn't work. Source. Yeah, the image is this tall, and then this is like more than that for some reason. That makes no sense to me. Oh, this source might be said. That does not work. Okay. Yeah, the image is just the image, and then the source isn't even visible, but if we gave it a width, let's see. It is like, I don't know where that extra space is coming from. I guess just for the purposes of comparison, we could do something like this, which I would never really do because it looks bad. Or it's just bad coding, kind of. Not really, but it's just bad practice, maybe. Okay, yeah, so with -4 pixels. I don't hate the way this looks. I think it looks pretty decent. See what it looks like without the border. Yeah, that looks pretty good too. We don't even need the border. Although it does look good with the border, so it's like, I don't know. I think I like it better with the border. Okay, so now we're comparing basically this view to this one. So the one thing that sucks about this view with the fade down is the neat free-to-play letters are no longer centered within the image, so it's like it doesn't look that good, and I'd have to provide a new image, which I don't really want to do. I really like this. I think I'm liking with this, to be honest with you guys. I was thinking about making this fade down, but I think this is a much better solution to the problem. That looks so nice. Like, that's perfect. I'm just gonna go with that. Okay, so the problem with this, though, is the code. I mean, using a negative margin is okay, but it's not the best solution to the problem. The problem really is this anchor is, like, way too tall. Height 100%, that breaks everything. I swear I fixed this before. It might even be in my diff. Let's see. Okay, I don't think this is it. Hold on. CSS picture. Okay, it's saying add display block to the image. I would think we already have this. We didn't. Okay, that's the solve right there. Okay, so we're gonna check this out because I already have this solution in a stash. And we're gonna say with display block. And then what else did I do here? Okay, so whatever has gap 32 pixels, add with 100%. This is probably it. But it might not be. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright, let's just refresh to see how far we are. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, it's the UL. Oops. That needs to be with 200%. You have to remove the padding and margin. Just the margin. I just fixed this. Did I not save that? No, I did. Huh. Weird. Oh, I'm not on my. I'm on. Wow, that's funny. I was on the wrong website. I wasn't on. I was on like the live site, not the local site. Okay, so yeah, so that fixes that. Now we don't need the stupid magenta thing. And I thought I fixed the other thing too. But let's see. Oh, I have to remove the margin. That's right. Okay, cool. So let's remove the margin. How about that? It looks amazing to me. Like way better than refresh this. Way better than that. Okay, I'm really proud of that. I like that. Cool. Seems to work well. Let's see what it looks like on mobile. Might not look the best. Okay, that looks okay to me. I don't love it on mobile. I think, I don't know, there's something about it I don't love. It's like there's a weird amount of space between the second and first row or something. Like these LIs have no spacing. Why is this one super tall? They have the same amount of padding. 8 pixels. Something was weird with the second row. It seems like it's way too tall. I think it's something to do with the container. Is that like a certain width or no, a height set? No. Oh, is it because the border is taking up so much space? No, that doesn't really make sense. Hmm. Yeah, that definitely doesn't look good. This is a weird spacing situation. Is it like the same? I think it's the same size for each row, but because the underline is there, it kind of like makes the first set of links tall, like shorter or something. I don't know. What if we did this? Maybe we should enforce a height for each LI. Like, no more than this. Whatever this is. No more than 43 or something. Okay. Just make a new thing called nav list item or something. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna go with like a hard-coded height. Maybe not. No. Let's just start with this. Wait. Oh, hold on. I think it's more like this. There we go. Okay, so height 43. That doesn't even seem right. Oh, it's saying, there's something you have to do. Like, box sizing border box or something. Um... 27. The other thing we could do is say 27 if it's not inclusive of padding, which I think it isn't. So 27, but now here we go. Here we got some issue. Huh. Height fit content, maybe? Dang. Row gap 32 pixels. I just don't get why it's not fitting. It's like, let's just give this a, I don't know, some stupid height, like 400 pixels or something. Like, now what happens? This is just too tall. Like, it's just, I don't get why it's that tall. Yeah, I think the problem isn't with the LI, it's with the div? Or maybe the button? Stupidly. It's just stupidly tall. I don't get it. It doesn't need to be this tall. It doesn't need to. Like, look how much space is on the top and bottom. It doesn't make any sense. Oh, you know what's different about these two? They're buttons. They're not links. So I think it has something. It has to have something to do with that. Because this is a button, not a link. So then... None of these tricks are working. There's not even... Yeah, this is 25 pixels tall. Computed display. Inline flex. What the hell? Oh my god, what's going on here? I mean, we could do like this, but it wouldn't make any sense. Yeah, that doesn't even work. I guess it needs to incorporate. Yeah, that seems a lot more normal. But then, you know, you can't just like hard code that. It's not a good solution. This height fit content thing never works. 100% never works. Huh. Damn, this has me stumped. I don't get it. It should not be this tall. Stop being this tall. I don't think this matters, but yeah. See if this even works. Yeah, it does nothing. Okay. I don't know. It's tough. What did I do? Oh. Let's remove this for now. Yep, problem is the button. Let's start by removing the padding, even though it doesn't do anything really. Remove the padding. Where is padding? Come on, padding bottom. Where are you, padding? There you are. Okay. Height 43. Height 27. Yeah, that makes more sense. Interesting, if I set the height to 27, it doesn't even fix the problem. But that's because the gap is too big, which I fixed anyway. So let's fix that first. This gap is too big for mobile, basically. Where is it? Say, I don't know, have it. Okay. So now with the 27 pixels, it looks great. And we don't even need that. No, we need it, because it still looks bad. Actually, I think the solve would just be removing the padding on mobile. Maybe? Because that looks okay. Let's try that first, I guess. Let's see. That'd be the button though. So it's a link. This is a button, I think. I mean, do we even need it on? This should just be stuck. Okay, I think we need it on desktop, but not mobile. So yeah, because that looks better. And now, same amount of padding. Same amount of padding, but on mobile. And I think that looks better. A little bit. Maybe we can make the padding a little bit smaller for mobile for the links only. Or no, that's the button. Oops. Let's see. What does that look like? Probably bad. Actually makes no difference. Strange, because it definitely should have an effect. There we go. Yeah, that looks bad. We could do like -4 or something. Wait, no. Adding 0. Wait, this would be left and right. So then the third one is bottom, right? Yes, okay, cool. It's very strange because I'm not seeing that effect. That's just still 8 pixels and should be. If I change this back to 0, then does it work? That makes literally no sense. I'm literally changing it to 0, 0, -4 pixels, 0. And that somehow adds 4 pixels or 8 pixels back. What the heck does that mean? That makes no sense. What? Okay, so 0 is 0. Man, I don't know. This is so stupid. Okay, that does not look good. I guess the only thing I could possibly do is set like a minimum height for each button, and then they'll all be the same, but they'll still be way too tall. So like, leave this out. Then we won't need this, and then say like minimum height. 43 pixels. And then do this for the link as well. Min height 43 pixels. Not even working because it's not a block. That's why. Oh boy. So if we make this a block. Oh, wait. Okay. So then this is currently 40. So then we want the min height to be 40, I think. And then I don't think this is really gonna look that good, but to go along with this idea, we'll say display block. Yeah, I just don't. This doesn't even make sense to me. I don't know what I'm doing, dude. I don't want this big anyway. Yeah, I don't like this. Never mind. Okay, get rid of this. Not this shit. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Auto. Thanks a lot. Auto. Good job. This is basically 25 pixels without padding, and then with padding it's 41. So that works fine because when we click on about, it looks great. High scores looks awful because if we click on it, there's way more space. I hate this yellow thing. What is this yellow thing? I don't get it. You see this yellow like dashed line? It keeps showing up every time I click on this thing. It's like I don't want that to show up. Can we have that not show up? Is that like an option? Like, come on. Yeah, like the space below the bar or above the bar is just like way different. So I think I'm just gonna have to set this to be height 27. I don't want to, but I think that's like the best thing we can do. It's definitely gonna break a different button that comes into the nav at some point. It's definitely gonna break something. 43. This doesn't make sense because this is 43. This is 25. But the link is 41, but its parent is like, what the fuck? What does this even mean? This doesn't even make sense because it's saying 25 for the text. The button is then 43 because it's 25 plus 16, but that doesn't even make sense. Why is there? Oh, there's a border. Okay, but then when I click on this, oh no, this is 43 because it has a border. Okay, cool. There's still too much space below the second row, which does not look good. I don't even think it's the LIs. Look at all the extra space below high scores. Oh, it's this. Okay. So these are 25, these are 43. Wow, this is tough. $41, $43. It doesn't make any sense. There's no border this time. There's no border. So, oh, it's saying 27. Okay. Oops. Okay, let's say 27, 25. There we go. Okay. I don't know what I did, but that looks better. Kind of. But it also doesn't. Okay. See, now it's interpreting. It keeps switching how it interprets things. Where am I? Here. So now it's interpreting height 25 as I have 7 pixels of space. I have 7 pixels of content. But before it wasn't. Okay, so get your story straight, browser. Like, seriously, what is going on? Okay, so it should be this. Because we've got 25... No, that's not even correct. No, it should be 27 then, which is what I thought we had before. Okay. This looks okay. Doesn't look great. There's more space on the bottom. No, this does not look good. Oh, man. Oh, I don't... See, now it's stuck on 7 again. Like, what is going on? Am I not doing this correctly? I'm not doing this correctly. 43. Okay. I think this will have to do, like, for now. Yeah, this looks fine. It's not perfect. Technically, there's more space. Can I not click on this? Technically, there's more space on the bottom, so it's not even. But it's, like, minor. I'm not gonna spend an hour on this fucking thing. Sorry for that, but it's just... It's like, wow. So the problem with this is we're going to eventually have maybe some menu item that's going to be like 3 lines or 2 lines or something. Can I click? Thanks. Like, it's going to go to a second line. Oh, I guess we never allowed to do that. Okay, cool. Then yeah, I guess we're fine. Hello, VS Code. Can we open, please? Yeah, it looks way better on desktop. But it also looks good on... I'm just like, everything's frozen now. I don't know what's going on. I think Windows just froze. I can't access anything in the taskbar. Oh no, it's just VS Code. Okay, now it's back. There we go. Ooh, this doesn't look great though. Did we lose something? Or was it always like that? Let's see. Okay. Padding full pixel 0. Looks like... Oh, wait. I see. These are taller now. These were taller. Now they're much shorter. So that's why it looks bad. I think something I changed only affected mobile. Let's start by making this a mobile only change. Height auto, I guess. Okay. That already looks better. I think it was that. Yes, it was that. Yeah. Okay. Let's do a git diff. And we don't need this. I don't know why I created it. I think I was going to do something with it, and then I realized I didn't have to. Change this back to li. Remove the import. Whoa. I'm like askew here. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Yeah, let's just review without the browser console. This looks cool. Much, much better in my opinion. And let's take a look at it on tablet. Looks good. Tablet, the header image is a little bit weird, but I just don't worry about it because I don't think a lot of people use tablet. It's still readable, it's just not perfect. Mobile. This is good. Yeah, I think that looks fine. Should probably do something about this text. It looks like there's a little bit too much space around it. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. It looks good. Looking good. Okay. Okie doke. So it's funny, this ticket started as like an add make it fade down, and it kind of turned into something different. So okay. Oh, what I just realized too is because these are both 16, I can just change this to gap 16. It will affect both. Just one less line of code. So I'm going to do that. Okay, here's our PR. Put that in code review. Okay, next one. Error trying to change email if it is already taken. Okay. This is when we're trying to change the email. Okay, so if someone tries to change their email to an email that's already taken, basically it still sends you an email like that tries to change it, but it's like impossible. Yeah, that's messed up. Okay. And push it. There we go. Okay. So, when you try to change an email, I guess this would be something else. Yeah, I think we need to check that this isn't already taken somehow. At this step, we don't have any info except their current info. We don't have like all the emails, so maybe we can utilize the get user endpoint. Which I think it gets an email, it gets a user by their email or something. It basically gets a user's info from their email. Okay, so we should probably call get user with that email to see if anything is returned, and if something is returned, then don't send the email. Yeah. Okay, cool. Wait, no, not this. Oh yeah, something like this actually. So send the new email, and then let's just look for this. Oh, right, okay, so it's gonna be more like this. Yeah, something like this. If a user exists, then don't allow this. I wonder if we should do it like a catch on here. Probably. Alright, new playlist. So yeah, so we'll call that API and I'll say if the user already exists, then don't allow it, exit out. So let's test that. Put in my current email address for my main account. Okay, cool. It says it's taken, but then it still sends an email. What the heck? Oh. It might be returning out of the send and that it's still going. Yeah, it's returning out of the send. It's like returning from this, but then it's still doing the send, so then it keeps going. So we're doing the same thing here. But then there's nothing else there. So oh, you know what we could do? We could put this in here, I think. So else send an email notification. Let's try that. Okay, so it's taken. Now if I enter test12345@gmail.com, it shouldn't be taken. Okay, it sends the email to test12345@gmail.com. Let's have it send it to an actual email that I have, so we can just confirm that still works. Okay. See if that went through. Actually, it might be faster if I just do it on desktop. Yep, I received it on my other email. So that's working fine. Now, yeah, I think that works well. So, I think that's fixed. Let's check on one thing here. Okay, let's try one more thing. Okay, and then yeah, okay, cool. I think we fixed it. Let's go ahead and take a look at that diff. Okay. I actually hate this music. Let's choose something else. Let's do like let's see. Okay. Just gonna set up the PR like we already have with a lot of these other things. That's fine. There's another one completed. Card review. And we're going to take a quick break here, just 5 minutes or so, just to get some tea. Actually, it might be more like 15 minutes. I'll be right back. Almost back, folks. A few more minutes. Alright, I am back. This is a little bit loud. Gonna turn that down a little bit. Let me just clean up a few tabs here. There we go. Okay, so screen down. There we go. So we did that. We're on to the next ticket. And the next ticket I'm going to work on is actually very similar. It's just an issue with this API endpoint. I'm actually not going to open it because it's kind of sensitive info. So let's just check out main. Not this. 139. Okay, so what we're gonna do is So in this endpoint, I think we're gonna add a old email address. So basically, what we're doing for this ticket is we're just saying, like, when someone changes the email address, it sends the email to the new address. But I think once they finish that change, it also needs to send an email to the old, just letting them know that their email changed somehow. So if someone gets into their account or something and changes their email for them, you know, they know and they can contact me or something. So, to do that, I think we're gonna have to update the email template. Old email. Something like this. So, I think we're still using email.js. Okay, let me hide. Actually, I can just do this. Just signing into email.js off screen. There we go. Okay, let's look at email templates. Okay, so I think we need to add a second query string here. Unless maybe we don't. Maybe we can just... Let's take a look at the code, see what it's doing. New email is query.email. Actually, yeah, I don't think we need to change the email template. Second thought. I think we can do this. Email to the old address. And now we're going to have to create a new template, I think. Yeah, so the new template, let's create a new template. Oh, we're at the subscription limit, damn it. That sucks. Aren't we using something else to send emails, though? Node emailer. Head reset token and send an email. yeah, we have another way of sending emails through the site. So I think we should probably just try to use this since we're at our template limit. We might only be able to send this from an API handler. Mail options. Let's try this. I mean, we definitely can't wait here. Not sure if we need to. So this should still be their old email address. You please contact Discord or in-game. I don't know. Should I put my name there? So this part would probably be on the second line. Wonder if this will work. Let's try it. Okay, so important, I need to copy this. And paste it here. Huh. Yeah, I think this doesn't work outside of an API handler. Maybe? So I'm guessing the update did occur. It didn't. Okay, never mind. I'm thinking we can't do this in a page. So we need to do it in an endpoint. Hate to create a new endpoint always. Let's see. Creating an endpoint could be dangerous because it could be used for malicious intent. So I create this endpoint that sends an email, and then all of a sudden it's like someone's calling at some point, you know, 100 times to a specific email address. I don't know. If only we didn't run out of email.js templates, that probably would have worked fine. Although, are we even still using this one? T4T. Oh, we're not using that one. Okay. So we can actually just remove that, I think. Whereas 6XA was being used. Yeah, T4T is not being used. So, yeah, we can just remove that template and use a new one. Delete it. Yes. Now let's just delete it. Okay. Should we tell them what the new email is? Probably. Okay. Recipient would be user.email, and then we just need to pass the new email. So I don't even need to do that. Let's save this for now, and let's go back to email templates. Okay, so this is basically how we did this. Just put it in double bracket. Here's the email template ID. And we need to add a new variable. Forget how to do that. Let's take a look at the other template. To email recipient. From email, use default email address. Maybe you don't have to design, or maybe you don't have to specify the variable anywhere except the body. I'm gonna go with that. I totally changed this and it did not include the change. Okay, cool. Save, cool. Let's test it. So the new email, let's say, is RC alternate. The old one is chardix. I'll just send it. So chardix. Let's see. Log in here real quick. Okay, so here's the test email. Why are there two periods? That's weird. You were receiving this email because you or someone else changed the email address associated with you. So I can't. It was changed to RC Ultra at gmail.com. You please contact these people just order in game. Seems good. The only thing that's wrong with it is there's two periods. Let's fix that. Save it. And now we can actually test it. So is that the one I have in the code? It is, and I think that's it. Let's actually test this now. Test session expired. Okay, fine. Let's try this again. Okay, this is the one we just sent. See if this works now. Update complete. Your email has been updated. You can go back to your account page. Okay, so now we got the email. Let's change to rcalternate.com. And if I look in the database, was it changed? Yes, it was. Okay, perfect. So it sent us an email on the old address just saying, hey, it was changed to the new address. And that's exactly what this ticket needs. So we're good to go. Ticket number is 139. Should be in the branch. Wait, what branch are we on? Yep. Okay. Wait a second. Oh, I think I created this from the wrong branch. That's annoying. That's fine. Let's view this. I'll just copy this whole thing. I'll just create a glitch. Back. Fixed. Let's see, what's the title of this? Wasn't even a problem with the API endpoint, really. Okay. Very simple, very effective. This one's in PR. Okay, so we can keep going at this point, or we could just make a massive deploy. Because we've got 6 good fixes kind of sitting here. None of them are really like pressing though, so it's like we could just keep going. I really want to make this page. I really want to do this too. I think we can bring this in for development. Dang, we still need to fix catching. I keep forgetting about that. This is kind of an annoying thing. I don't even know if this is something we need to still look into. We could just close this, maybe. Player no longer plays. Not as important. They played today, but I just don't think it matters anymore. I doubt it's actually a bug that they got 3 magic accidentally. They probably got on Tutorial Island, or they just forgot that they trained it or something. I'm just gonna close this. I don't think they... hash the MarioDB password. Oh, yeah, that one's tough. I need to look at that again. I'm going to bring this in, and I think that's all I'm going to bring in for now. Okay, so I think this could be a really simple thing, so maybe we should just try to work on this, but I'd actually like to work on this next, I think. This is a really cool feature that I've been wanting to add for a long time. It's basically just a community history page. And maybe we should just try to work. I think we're just gonna try to work on that now. I think we need to do more like investigations into like what we want to put on this page. So if we open a ticket, well, we already have some stuff. Oh, my cat's calling me. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. My cat's meowing. I am back. Yeah, so just thinking about what to do for the community history page. I'm thinking first to smith an armor is more, or a metal is more important. So like, for smith iron would be me. I don't know if I was the first to smith bronze. Probably not, so I'm gonna leave that out because I don't know who that would be. I also don't know if we should put banned people on this page. Should banned people like be shown as part of the history? I don't know. Some of these we don't even have like concrete answers on. Like we think it was Absolute Null who first fished lobsters, but we don't know. I guess some future ones could be like first to 899 to be decided. We could do like first to each skill, like first to 99 hits. I don't know if we should show attack, defense, and strength because we're not showing those in the high scores. Let's just go down the high score list. What's the total overall that we could possibly get? Let's log in and I'll do some math. So total overall is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 times 99 plus 4. So 14. Oops. Let's do this math real quick. Oops. 14 times 99 plus 4. Okay, so the best total level you can have in free to play is 1390. Free to play only. So if we add 98 4 times, we should get to 1782. And we do. Okay, so it's 1390. So it's crazy that Yi is only 390 levels away from max skill total. TG. Let's just make these. I think first 99 is still kind of cool. And we can just go down the list. So, first to 99 ranged. Better be me, baby. First to 99 prayer, maybe in the year 2036. We'll see. Legitimately, like 12 years from now. Someone's gonna get 99 prayer. Cooking woodcut. It's called woodcut, right? Yes. Okay, cool. Fishing, fire making. Crafting. First to 99 smithing. I hope it's me. We'll see. I gotta get to work on that. Yeah, so other than the skills, I'm thinking like, do we want to like go full iron or like first to smith iron? I think it's gonna be easier to tell. I'm gonna say full. But I'm not sure if we should show Dusty because that player's banned. Maybe we could. Technically it was Dusty Smith. So full adamant. TBD. Dusty Smith full. Rune. TBD. I'd like to say like first to Smith Rune, because that might be me. I think it will be me. But then I wouldn't know. I would think Lionheart was the first to Smith Adamant. The first to Smith Mithril was probably Desty, but it might have been Lionheart. First to Smith Steel itself might have been me? I don't know. Like, I don't know who the first person to Smith Bronze was. Maybe I can look that up in the database. Maybe it's in the generic log table. Nope. Furnace. Let's see, let's just look at all generic logs. Generic logs are mostly like person dropped an item, traded, well not even traded. It's basic stuff like fished something. Yeah. I don't think we'll be able to find out who the first person to smelt something was, so let's just keep that out. To find out the first person to make lobs. Hmm. Yeah, generic logs don't tell us fishing events either, so maybe it's like a skilling event table. So we think the first person to fish lobs was absolute no. I have to look at the Discord history to see if that's actually true still. Yeah, literally day of release, absolute no had already fished lobsters. It's insane. So, yeah, methinks it's that person. First a full rune, maybe? I don't know who that would be exactly. Yeah, I think that's true. This is definitely true. Yeah. Absolute No basically got to Champions Guild like the second day. I think this is a good list for now. Trying to think of some other like community history. I was thinking of adding 1 mil coins, but I really don't know who it would be. I think it was either Dusty or Lionheart. I guess we can start with this and just make a page. Yeah, let's just get started on this. So I guess we could just call it an achievement stage. We call it like community achievements or something. Okay, I gotta add this to the nav. Should it be a bug, reported bug? Probably. Okay, this does not fit. I should probably do something about this. This is like ridiculous. So it's about as wide as the button, which I guess makes sense. But it's just too, the font size is too big. Like way too big. Computed font size is 20 pixels. Maybe something like 16 is a little bit easier. So, I guess specifically the list item. Should be here. Sub item, sublink. Seems better. Yeah, it looks decent. If we can now fit two words in here. What happened to the music? Oh, okay, cool. Let's do this. me see if I change this to, I can, NPC kills. Yes, it fits on one line. Okay, cool. Let's do that. Cool. Yeah, this looks nicer now. Community achievements. Okay, cool. So, this is gonna be a lot like the rules page. I guess we can just use that as an example. Don't even think we're gonna have any props, so we can just do it exactly like that. Obviously, it won't be a list of rules. It might be an ordered list. Would it be an ordered list? It wouldn't really be an ordered list. Ordered list. And then I think we can just do something like this. Maybe player achievements would make more sense. But it's more about the whole community, so I guess that works. Okay, let's just create a few. So first one. First champion. Just copy this whole list. I think I have like links in here probably at some point. So you know, this is like the stupid way to do this. Let's do this. Thank God for Windows. You know, weird. Thank God for Windows, like, clipboard saver thing where it just saves everything you ever copy, so makes it easy. There, we can just do this, make it a little bit easier. Oh, I just thought of something. First to, I think this is a more generic one that should go at, like, the top. One I just thought of was first to make a strength amulet. Which I think the first one was another banned account, sadly. I think it was, let's see. Hold. It was Ooh or something. Yeah, the name was Ooh. I don't know if this should be part of the community history because they got banned. I think it maybe still make sense. I don't know. I know the first to do that was Chevy. Or maybe it wasn't. Who was the first to 60 to 70 crafting? I thought Chevy was the first one to get power enemies, but maybe not. Maybe he wasn't the first one. It might have been Ooh, because I saw in Discord, if you search for Power Emmy, it says he was selling them as of March 18th. But I don't know if he was the person who made them or just had one. First diamond Emmy on someone's neck was, I think it was Ooh. Yeah, I'm starting to think it was Ooh. It must have been ooh. But then they got banned later, so I guess it was ooh. Sad. Let's just keep going. Okay. Trying to think if there are any like other unlockables that were like a big deal. I have no idea who did Swordfish. We can't really find that out. I guess we could just say like botted. Banned bot. I don't know. I think I'll probably just put an asterisk next to each one, just saying like, you know, I'll basically put the first person that did it without botting, but I'll have an asterisk that says like the original person that got this first was banned, but don't just put their name. I think that works well because it basically says that this is the first person. There's an asterisk that says, well, you know, technically they're not, but they basically are for the purposes of this page. It must be Chevy then, if it's not ooh or yeah. So same thing here. God, if it wasn't Dusty, then who was it? Was it Lionheart? think it must be line harping. Okay, cool. See, because I can just post everything. Oh, I have an idea. First to win a PK tournament, maybe. That'd be a cool one. First to win the first PK. I don't know. I'm trying to think of cool stuff to put on this page. Something like that. I like that. I might keep that. Okay. So yeah, definitely want these to be links. So link high scores / player. I think that's how we get to the high scores. Or no, it's high scores / player. There we go. Should we put links? I don't know if it really matters. Yeah, I guess it links to that player so people know it's not like a fake player or something. And then here we're gonna need like a tooltip because we need to like, ooh, I don't know how we're gonna do this off the top of my head, but we're gonna need some kind of like tooltip that, you know, we're when they hover over it, it says original first person was banned or something like that. First person of the crafting guild. Yeah, I don't know who that would be. Okay. Yeah, we need some kind of like. I guess we could put this whole thing in a tooltip. I guess we can put something at the end too that says like. You know, body text. Something like that. One thing to note is that even though, I don't know, like it says first to smith full mithril, but when Lionheart got to 67 smithing, I don't think it really meant that he or she made full mithril. They might have just made mithril plates, you know? It's kind of tricky. To be decided, to be decided. No asterisk. Okay. So this is gonna look really bad, but let's just take a look at it. Should probably be yeah, it's kind of tough because okay, cool. So yeah, this doesn't look great. I want to make this look really cool, like special, and wondering how we can do that. Maybe some kind of like cool background, like I don't know, some like adventure background, adventure looking background. I don't know. We could do like a table too. I'm thinking about doing a table. A table might look a little bit nicer. I think I'm gonna do that. Table head. How do we do this? High scores table. Oh, something I just forgot is that sometimes I base this site off of RC Vanilla's site because it kind of it does some things very well. So what I'm basing this off of is RC Vanilla's leaderboard, and I think this has dates. Yeah, it does have dates. Okay, so yeah, so I think it would make sense to have this be a table then. So achievement, player name, date. Some of these won't have dates. We won't know when exactly it was achieved. We can have like a generic idea. Table head. Did I improve this? Of course I didn't. Wow, Biden just ended his election campaign and he's endorsing Harris to be the new Democratic nominee. That is crazy. That is crazy news what just happened here. That might affect my vote. I was not going to vote for either candidate because they both suck so bad. I might vote for Kamala Harris. Damn. Okay. Table head and then table body. For each one there's a table row. That makes sense. I'm gonna have to rename these classes so it's not specific to the high scores. Won't need a key because it's not within a map. Oh, this will include like the yellow coloring, which I don't know if I want. You know, I don't know if I want that yellow color for this page. It's not terrible. Let's go with it for now. Okay. This is a little bit not clear. Okay, so here's the username, and then the date for this would be, we can look that up in Discord. So to do this, we just need to scroll up like a bunch in the screenshots channel. And wow, they're not that far. What is this? Okay, 224-ish. Where was John to? Wait, let's keep scrolling. Yeah, it was Jontu who got into Champions Guild first. Yeah, okay, cool. Glad we did that. Okay. Let's just move this stuff away. I guess. Or, I don't know, we don't have to do that. Okay. Oops. Wait. Oops. I did this wrong. This is the date. So 2/24/2024. And he completed it 2/27. As far as we know, I don't think anyone else got there before him because they would have posted it or something. What first PK here? First two PK player. And we can find out when it happened because we can just check the generic logs table. So let's see. Oh yeah, this is looking way better. This will look a little bit better. Oh, or will it? No, first unlocked champion skill was John 2. I don't know how we got this wrong. Okay. First PK player. So we just need to go into the ticket and run this. And yeah, so it happened. Around this time. So it was literally the first day. So February 24th. Let's go back to code. So it was this person, and we can look back at his Discord history to see when that happened. To 525, 525. There we go. And then this happened the day of launch, so props to that person. Literally, lobsters the first day. It's crazy. I'm gonna put something at the top that says, note that players, note that banned players are removed from contention for these measurements. Meaning that they don't even factor in, so we don't even need this. We don't need this, or this, or this. Chevy K10. When did he make a strength amulet? Unfortunately, we basically have to go off of screenshots to see when people have done stuff, because there's no other way really. Let's see. I just thought of a new one. First to like mine something. First to mine iron. First to mine, mithril. Yeah, I don't think it's here. Let me check my other Discord. Might be there. Damn it, now I'm just looking at old nostalgic screenshots. Okay, I don't know when Chevy got it, so I'm just gonna say unknown. Actually, I don't even know if it was Chevy, if it wasn't the first person who was banned. So back. Whew. Selling strength items 50k each. What the heck? Oh, that was a joke. I don't know who the second person to make a strength that he was. It might be Lappy. I don't know. Maybe we should just not even show that because we don't really know. Oops, this is the wrong Discord. This meme was so good. I don't remember when. I think Chevy was definitely the first person, other than a bot, to get a power Emmy. But I have no idea when he got it. So I think that we have to put as unknown for real. I might just remove these. I'll leave them for now. So this was literally day 1. This was also day 1, pretty sure. And we probably don't know when this happened. I think 3.6 was when that happened. I want to say. I don't really know. It's not like definite. I think we're just gonna say unknown for Mithril. Actually, we will say 3.6 for now. We don't really know, but we think it was that. Okay, so it's probably me, but we don't know yet. I guess TBD is better. Let's see, when did that happen? It was recently. Screenshots. Just look for posts from me. Actually, don't even see the post. Maybe it was in general. Oops. I don't know why he posts his screenshots in general, but I think this is it. Yep, 625. And the rest of these are literally just TBD, so 1390 is basically, whoa. That's basically the max skill total you can get in free to play. TBD. Okay. So this one's like the first to get a 99 period. So I think that's an interesting thing to think about. And then, yeah, we're just gonna need a bunch of these. I'm starting to think we're not gonna do it like this, because this is a lot of like redundant HTML that we'll have to change. So what I'm thinking is we have like a data set. Achievements, player name, date, like this. This is gonna suck now that I've already written this out to copy this all in. I think we're gonna continue here next time, guys. I've just been streaming too long. I'm kind of sick of this. I need to get back to smithing so I can get to 85 soon. I'll be doing this again next week. I hope to just keep this going every Sunday. Yeah, so I will see you again next Sunday. And we'll pick this up. I'll just put it to do here. finish. I guess this could be JSX then. Or it doesn't have to be that. We can just use the name. There you go. Yeah, we'll continue this later. That's it. I will see you guys later.